So today I am unboxing the brand new Mace Windu Force Effects lightsaber. There's a bunch of them out on the market already, but I ordered mine and I am so stoked to have it. I used to own the one from 2005, so pretty familiar with it. I don't have it anymore to compare it to the 2005 model from Master Replicas, but here goes. Let's take a look at this thing. See how badass it looks compared. Comes with the stand, as you can see. Typical stand. I'm really curious to see how purple this thing is, because Master Replicas were known for being a little more on the pink side as opposed to being purple, which mine was fairly purple, but not as purple as I'd like it to be. There it is. Pretty nice looking. Feels like it's a little thicker than a little bit thicker than the one from Master Replicas. You can see. Pretty nice. Very similar. Where you put the batteries in. Battery packs are typical, of course. And for some reason they always put this little screw here, which I cannot stand. So, you know, I have to go get a screwdriver for that. So obviously you take it out of this thing. Slide that up. Pretty amazing. Only 3 AAA batteries for this thing, because the Master Replicas had 6 AA's, which made the saber quite heavier. Oh. Maybe if I put it on the right way, it would work. And you can see I have that one right there. That was so hard to get years ago, but now obviously the market's going to be flooded with them, so, but hey, I will take it. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it there. See that? That's the way they've changed it now. They've put the, before, Master Replicas used to be right here, where it say 2005 Master Replicas, right there. All right, so got the batteries in. Yeah. Wow. That's, I know you don't see it on the screen, but this is definitely purple. Let me shut the light off so you can see it much better. Almost like red more than it's more like a pink than purple, but it's still pretty nice. Wish the diffuser was a little better, but not bad. Not bad at all compared. Much purple color, much better purple color. There you have it. Mace Windu Force Effects 2018 lightsaber.